Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to day 7. We are past that half point, almost there. So proud of you for showing up. Today we are doing a slim and toned arms workout with the option of dumbbells. You do not need them to feel the amazing benefits of this workout, but go ahead and grab them if you want to add an extra challenge, and let's get started. Alrighty, first up we have a rainbow to bicep curl. So we're starting with our arms down, palms facing forward. All right, and we're gonna go into a rainbow, bringing them up all the way overhead. They give a little love tap up there, coming down slow. All right, slow on the come down, and then in front of you, you're gonna do a bicep curl, keeping those elbows nice and close to your body, and then repeating. All right, taking it nice and slow. That's where you're really gonna feel the work. All right, up, 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 and then down, down. Even maybe hold it here in a lateral raise. All right, feel the burn. Come back down, and then up. Very good, squeezing those bicep muscles. Awesome job. You're standing strong, your core is engaged. All right, you have a little bend in your knees. Good posture, shoulders are down. Very good, and 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, hold it. Hold in that bicep curl. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze those muscles, squeeze, and release. Very, very good. Next, we're doing an alternating press. All right, so arms in 90-degree angles, all right, both of them, and you're gonna press one up at a time. All right, making sure you're coming back to those 90 degrees. All right, that takes control. All right, so paying attention to those angles, keeping a good posture, squeeze up, down, and then again. Very, very good. Breathing, tight core, like Mara likes to say, every exercise is a core exercise, all right? The whole body is engaged, even though we're just moving our arms, all right? You even have nice, strong legs in your stance. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very, very good. Next, we're gonna be doing a lateral raise to flex curl. I'm gonna give you 2 different options here. All right, the first one, we're starting all the way down, palms up as well. So you're gonna come up, stop when they're right to your side, and then you're gonna flex curl, like you're flexing your arms down or out again, and then down. Or the other option is starting out to the side, you're gonna do flex curl, and then lateral raise overhead. All right, 2 different options there for you. Choose which one you like most, or we have 2 more sets, so you can go ahead and switch it up. All right, try one now, another one later, and then your favorite one on the 3rd set. Again, here we're taking control of our angles, stopping when we need to. All right, taking our time. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, flex, 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 show off those muscles, and release. Very, very good. Next, we're doing a kickback to pulse, all right? So going ahead standing, we start with our elbows bent. All right, we're gonna kick back, and then pulse, 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 and then back to starting. All right, kick back, pulse, 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 and then up, all right? If it's easier, you can do this in a bent over position with a nice flat back. All right, that's how I usually prefer to do it, because then you're using your back and your core a little bit more. Or if you prefer, you can go ahead and do it standing. Maybe start with your arms by your sides instead. Kick back, pulse, 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 and then forward. If you bend forward a little bit, and even if you're standing, make sure it's with a nice flat back, all right? Pulse, pulse, pulse. You're just moving up and down a little bit, an inch. Extend, pulse, 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 back. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and coming up. Very nice. Finishing it with serving the platter. All right, I'm gonna give you 2 variations here as well. All right, elbows start nice and close, and we're gonna be serving the platter in a 45-degree angle, excuse me. All right, so serving the platter and then bringing it back in. Okay, so you could do this side one here, all right? Not all the way to the side, it's a little bit inwards, 45 degrees, all right? Or you can do it forward, or both, all right? Alternating which way you wanna go. Very good. Breathing. Again, with a good posture, tight core, chin up, maybe holding it at that serve, all right? Hold, hold, hold. Press your shoulders down, coming in, squeeze. Squeeze those shoulder blades, squeeze that back when your elbows come in. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Set one done and dusted. My arms are already burning. The fat is crying. We're not done yet. Moving on to set number 2, big breath. Starting with our rainbow to bicep curl in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice and slow and controlled, taking your time, squeezing those muscles. Very good. Up and slow down, slow. Very good. Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops. Good posture. Check in on your tummy, your shoulders. All right, nice, long, elegant neck. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Bicep hold, 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 and release. Very, very good. Alternating press. Remember to go back to that 90-degree angles. Let's go. Press those shoulders away from your ears. Chin up. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, hold it there, hold, and release. Very, very good. Moving on to our lateral raise and flex curl. Let's go. Control, straight lines, squeeze. Very good. Take your time. And breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Hold, hold, hold. And release. Very good. Kick back to pulse, all right? Extend, pulse, 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 back. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and coming up. Very nice. Ending with serving the platter in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Elbows start nice and close. Extend, hold, and then squeeze as you come back in. 3, 2, 1. Hold, 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 and release. Very, very good. Give yourself a round of applause for 2 sets done. 1 more to go. Big breath. Starting with our rainbow to bicep curl in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Nice and slow and controlled. Taking your time, squeezing those muscles. Very good. Up and slow down, slow. Very good.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Good posture. Check in on your tummy, your shoulders. All right, nice, long, elegant neck. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Bicep hold, 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 and release. Very, very good. Alternating press. Remember to go back to that 90-degree angles. Let's go. Press those shoulders away from your ears. Chin up. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. Hold and release. Very, very good. Moving on to our lateral raise and flex curl. Let's go. Control, straight lines, squeeze. Very good. Take your time. And breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Hold, hold, hold. And release. Very good. Kick back to pulse, all right? Extend, pulse, 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 back. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and coming up. Very nice. Ending with serving the platter in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Elbows start nice and close. Extend, hold, and then squeeze as you come back in. And 3, 2, 1. Hold, 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 and release. And there we have it, my beautiful people. Day 7 in the bag. Great job. My arms are burning. They're on fire. I hope yours are too. Please let me know in the comments below. Tell me if you slowed it down a little bit, if you felt a difference, which move was your favorite, and I will see you tomorrow for day 8.